I was working on the web assignment problems. After I did number 1, man, I was going along great. And then I got to number 6. And this problem had some odd things in there, words that I've never seen before. They used the word cerebrum. I don't know what that is. And the word squenches. So I read through the problem, and when I looked at the problem, the question comes out this. They want to know how many squenches are in one cerebrum. So how many cerebrums did they say for the given? 1. So here it is. We've got 1 cerebrum, whatever that is, who the heck knows. And the question is, how many squenches? So over on this side, I'm going to write the word squenches. So I've got to figure out some way of making the connection between cerebrum and squenches. Well, fortunately, here they are. They told us this 1 squench is equal to 0.8 liters. When I'm looking at this 0.8 liters, they were able to measure this to the tenths. All right, now I'm looking here, the 0 merely is a placeholder. This doesn't have any significance to us. So if we look here,
James Young, please report to the reception
this particular
area.
word has only 0.8.
The reception area.
This particular number, excuse the interruption, has 1 significant digit. All right, now let's take a look and see if we can use any of this information. We do have a fun fact that connects cerebrum to gallons, given to us in the problem, so let me write that down. Now, I'm not doing any thinking at this point in time. I'm just writing down my fun facts. The numbers were given to me from the problem. So here I am writing them down. And that's the same as 8 gallons. All right, now, I'm looking here. I cross off the word cerebrum here. I've got gallons. Oh, I don't want gallons. I'm looking for squenches. So I look through here, and it seems like squenches are related to liters. So if I could make a connection somehow between gallons and liters, I probably could do this problem. So I said to myself, well, where am I going to get these fun facts from? And there they are right there in the book once again. So I looked in, and our book says something about the U.S. gallon. So 1 U.S. gallon is equal to 3.785 times 10 to the minus third cubic meters. Now, when I look at a cubic meter is a meter tall, a meter wide, and a meter deep. It's not surprising to me that this is a fairly small number. You're dealing with a cube that's really big. All right, and then finally, I'm looking here, is there any connection between liters and meters? And the answer is 1 liter is equal to 10 to the minus third cubic meters. So a liter is actually 1,000th of a cubic meter, which once again makes total sense. All right, let's see if we can use some of this information to get to squenches. So here I have my fun facts, gallons. I look here, 1 gallon, I'm not doing any thinking at all, is 3.785 times 10 to the negative third cubic meters. Cross off the word gallons, look there. All right, now I have cubic meters. If I had some type of connection between cubic meters and squenches, well, I do have a little bit of information. So let me get rid of that word for the time being. So I'm going to use my cubic meters. I know that 10 to the minus third cubic meters is the same thing as 1 liter. And then finally, I know, running out of room at this point in time, we know that 0.8 liters, let me see if I can squeeze that in, is equal to 1 squench. All right, I go back, cross off all the things that we need, cubic meters here, liters here, and now I have the answer in squenches. So that's how I would set this problem up. Wish you the best.
If you're in the building, come to the reception area. Jacob, Becca, please come to the reception area.